Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Chief Architect and Revit, two top choices in BIM software for architects and engineers. Which one is better for your project? Revit is a professional-grade BIM tool used in large-scale projects. It excels in collaboration, documentation, and multidisciplinary workflows. Chief Architect is more residential focused with strong 3D modeling, interior design features, and automated documentation. Revit is ideal for complex projects, whereas the Chief Architect is perfect for home design and smaller firms. Revit is more complex and expensive, but it pays off in large projects. Chief Architect is simpler and more accessible. Choose Revit for high-end collaborative projects, and choose Chief Architect for residential design efficiency. Which one suits your workflow? Let us know in the comments below. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.